Hello. When I started this tutorial, I worked with Python, Frappe version 13 beta, but I want to upgrade this to version 13.00. That's the latest version. We can check that from the source codes, either the Frappe or the ERPNext. The latest is version 13. So the next thing to do now is upgrade it. I'm going to clear this. Clear. Since I lost connection, then bench version. That's this will show me the version of Frappe ERPNext version 13 beta, version 13 beta 11. To switch, I'll say bench switch to branch version 13 Frappe ERPNext. This might really take a while. It's gonna take a while depending on your internet speed. May spend up to 2 hours, may spend few seconds. So your internet speed will determine how fast it will process. Other ways to achieve this is I missed something here. It should be bench switch to branch version 13 Frappe ERPNext. Then you add a flag dash dash upgrades. The flag will be like this dash dash upgrade. That's what you should have in your terminal. Nevertheless, this will still upgrade. And if this takes too long as well, I could easily cancel this. I have two other methods to upgrade this. I could come to CD into the apps, Rappi, and say git pull upstream. Then I would say version 13. This will pull the version 13 for us. And if I don't want to use this method, I could still cancel this. Go to the root and say bench get app dash dash branch equal to version 13 version dash 13, then the name of the app Frappe. This will still do the job perfectly fine, but one thing is that it may end up replacing the entire content. It doesn't matter anyway, but this will kind of upgrade our system for us. Although this is much faster than the default bench switched branch version 13 Frappe ERPNext. This may take some time. Although before how this works is it will first kind of git stash, then do whatsoever it should do or clone, then return back the some of the changes. I'm not too sure of that, but I prefer it this way for me because I'm in a development system and the development is on my local machine. It's going to take a lot of time to process. In order to avoid that, I use this method git get app dash branch version 13 to do my upgrade. You see it has completely cloned the directory and it is installing at the moment. You quite see it's still installing, and once it's done installing, I'll repeat same for the ERPNext. Okay, the installation is complete. I'm going to scroll back up. This is kind of where we started it. Then down to this place. But our advice, if you're on your production server, not development, I'm on development server. That is why I took this part. Please use this if you are on development server. Use this. It's the best kind of the best practice. Please do this. But since I'm on a development server, I can decide to choose the part I want. That's why I'm using this part. I'll do same for my ERPNext. To ask for replace, say yes, and to go the same step just like Frappe. ERPNext is done installing as well. Once this is done on my development server, I can now use this, run this, and it will be very fast. It will just tell you, well, it's the same anyway. This kind of taking too long. I'm just going to cancel it. Check the version. Then version should be version 13 anyway. Have the Frappe version 13.02, ERPNext version 13.02. I can bench migrate since my server quit, so I'm gonna go back, migrate again. Have my migration complete with no issue. Can try my bench version once more and have it as this. Then bench running successfully. Try to reload. I'm pretty sure it will reload with no issue, and if there's any issue, we'll try to fix that. Okay, success reloading, no issues. Switch to Dex. Okay, successfully switched to the Dex, and you can see the message updated to new version, and you see the beautiful interface. Nice. I can check my estate app, see if there's an effect on it. Yeah, little change on it, although I cannot see my reports, my report master, but no issue about that. I can always fix it later. Click on my property. Oh yeah, the property list showing. Then click on any of the property. Nice. How about print format? I have this option here for help. I'm going to try to zoom it out a little. Zoom in again. Then this menu, this action menu, the form action menu. This here also for the reload, the normal menu reload and the others. Then this is the button, just like this previous button here. That's what this new button here serves. Then you can reload your site and do some other things. You can also check from the help to see my version. Have version 13, version 13. Okay, how about the print format? How do you print it? You click on this button, these three dots, and print. And you have your print format. Our print format is still the same, property PF, which we assigned earlier, and nice looking print format. I think although most of you may say I did not follow the normal practices for updating, I did that because I know I can handle the error, and I'm in a development server. Once more, please, if you want to update in production server, please do use this to do your update, to upgrade. I mean, please do use this. And thanks once more for watching. I hope you do learn a little bit.